Tini Arkepur Kudbuskango Potibadi Kolomni Editor Onol Roy Choduri Bini Kaisa case hearing Utangmani case hearing Pai Kudni Onkormani Jorawo Jasim Uddin Ni Koroksa Samung Sitra Kainai Bini Tidulmung by Kaisa Group Onol Roy Choduri no Lama Kasui Bonopuila Physical Assault Tei Sikri Chokro Klaimani Logi Logi Bini yakni mobile segi naharka 20 lakh rang riha hangkangke bothari khibnani bo humki rejakka o party mungno जों Khumulwng Press Club balaike sejamung sawo oboni logi logi police ni bokhaktui home department ni bokhaktui dakti strict action naharnani bagui Aboni logi logi samung sitra khainai rokno dakti arrest khalaiयै karak bush thumjaknani bagui जों Khumulwng Press Club strongly demand khlaio.
Today an unjustifiable untoward incident took place inside the RK4 court premises in Udaipur. We stand in solidarity with Mr. Onol Roy Choduri, editor of Pratibadi Column, and along with him an advocate and one of the journalists. Today there was a case hearing in Udaipur court premises, and after hearing the case, when they came out, a miscreant in the name of Jasim Uddin and his group, they started assaulting using abusive words and attempt to murder. Threats were given against Onol Roy Choduri, and the culprits and the miscreants, they also demanded 20 lakhs rupees as extortion of money, which is illegal. And such kind of incident which took place inside the court premises where the people goes to seek justice, it is really alarming situations. We Khumulwng Press Club, we demand justice. We demand justice. We want the people, especially the media fraternity and all the press clubs of the Tripura, and we seek immediate action from the police, from the home department, so that this kind of incident can be avoided in later period.